The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
MLA ka kliret u Kyrmen Shylla da ongu wa ki paidbah kamu yo ki yei hok yong ki wela da man I wadu ki yei te yi ki udawa wa thung da katakit walai loy wei o le pediang u yei te yei ni da ong u Kyrmen hawa kali ki wa pathai khubor hajrong idawa u he ka VPP na ka sorkar o katakit walai loy he ya to wa ipen kre kam ya ka MLA Scheme. Kyrmen da ong wa singau kumen wa ki paidbah tip ki yei mentoy wa yo ki nei baha wa Hapoh ka Constituency yong yo ki yei hok yong ki hei porwa biang wei o le pentikenau yei ni smat I mentoy wa poi sa ki paidbah de wa penrap wa han la Islam item to de wa le chanam. Cu da ong wa yele wa pentikena wa manusnem ka MLA Scheme ulai bait ko nei baha ka arpoin san klur to ulai ko chaki paidbah wa gibru wa yu kuni ya ka hawa kalila da kalat wa yo ki bru utip ya ka poisa poilan Kyrmen da jubab wa ka RTI to ka wina kite kilat ka wasuk baha ki paidbah u yo jubab de walai du ja ka yung kre kam BDO.
Actually, when it comes to our scheme, the schemes which supposed to be delivered to the people in our constituency. So I'm here not to support or to support. I'm here just on my own, my personal feelings that whatever is the right of the people, it has to go to them. But if we feel there's a missing, that it has not been delivered, so the government has fully rights, or even the public has the right to demand for either independent inquiry or any kind of inquiry. We are most welcome for that, especially for myself in my constituency. I myself, I would love people to know that what I have been doing and the schemes, what's supposed to be for them, it reached them on time. We try to be on time. Yes, no doubt delay has been there sometimes, but not intentionally. That's why if you see when it comes to MLA scheme, in my constituency, every year I'm trying to put the application. There's a delay, no doubt, on time. But in the end, we make sure that this 5 years term, each year, all this money has to go to the people of our constituency. No doubt, we have the liberty to put the amount based on our requirement, on the requirement of people, and based on us how much we can put on one location, and then proposal wise, so that we have the liberty. But all this money, 2.5 CR as of now, it has to reach to the people. Nobody has the right to take it, even the MLAs, though he's been elected, but this money belongs to the people.
So is there any mechanism that people can find the account?
I believe it should be, because there's nothing to hide. But if there's not, I believe RTI is the right thing to search for, ask for inquiry. So instead of that, RTI is very easy. File the RTI, you'll get it, everything there in the BDO's office. Very easy to get. But it's just that, yes, no doubt, each and every one cannot go to every district, to every constituency. So maybe they require independent inquiry or any kind of inquiries. They have the rights to demand for that. And I am on for it.
Sir, but such an accusation made by the Chief Minister, does it sound right, you being part of?
I really don't know exactly what does they mean regarding with this. But it's just that if somebody doubt me or doubt anybody, the government has the right to file, to search what is exactly going on. So if any doubt, so we should not leave anybody, because this money, each and every penny, belong to the people.